Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. Today's video is an interesting one, and the goal is here I have written years say 2001 to 2010, and we want individual years to spill across these rows. So this is something what we are looking about, 2001, 2002, 2003 and so on. Now this formatting I have done it with conditional formatting, and it's a very simple thing. I have put a condition if this is a number, so is number I have used, and if it is true then you can it has to give the colors to these cells. So we want this years to spill across rows, so and we want to do it with worksheet formulas, but before that let's try to ascertain it manually. So between this 2001 to 2010, how many years are there? 10 years, isn't it? So 2010, but including 2001 there are 10 years. So say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and here if I write say 2001 plus, so 2001 to 2011, so I'll just remove this, 9 years. So this is what we want, but we want to do it with worksheet formulas, and we'll do it in 3 steps. First step will be to ascertain this first or beginning year. So I'm going to start with is equal to value. I'll say left. This is my text, and number of characters I want is 4. Now because we are going to copy it down, I am fixing this B1 cell. Okay, so this is my first step where we have arrived at the beginning year, and that is the first year 2001. Now we want to figure out this 0 to 9 values. So for that I am using row, tab, complete parenthesis, enter. It's giving me 1, so I'll reduce, sorry for this notification, I'll reduce -1 to give it 0, and then if you copy it, it's giving us that 0 to 9 numbers. So now I am copying this and I am adding this to that value and left result, and I am just surrounding this with brackets, enter. So this is 2001, and if I say Control C, here it is. So as such we are having this result of say 2001 to 2011, 12, but we want those years to restrict to 2010. So we do not want this 2011 and 12 to appear even if we copy it to many cells. So this is what we want to avoid. To do that I am starting with year. So let to ascertain how many number of years are there between this 2010 to 2001 backward. So year, rather value, I'll say right, again this B1 which I'll fix, comma 4, so it will give me 2010, and I am simply copying this, Control C, and I'll say minus, Control V, and instead of right we are using left and tab. So 9. So there are 9 years between 2001 to 2010, and now we'll say that those results have to be only 9 results. So it has to restrict that result, last result, to 2010. So if that value or the result of this row function is greater than 9, then give us blank, otherwise give us row -1. So I am simply pressing F2 here. Again I am surrounding this with one more brackets, and now we'll take this inside the formula which we have built, and after this plus sign I am saying if into bracket, if result of this row is greater than this particular stretch of functions, which is a combination of value right and value left, then give us blank, else give us this row -1. So the result of this if statement will be added to value and left combination, and Control V, enter. And now if I copy this down, here we have, but we are getting value over here, and to get rid of this value we'll simply introduce if error. So if the result of this entire combination of functions of say a value left, if row, etc., if it's error, then give us blank and enter. And if I copy this down, we have a result. Okay, and the best part is if I change here say 2011 to 2016, we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you can change any changes to any year, 1999 to 2000. Here we have, or say here we have. Okay, so this is how you can use this row function to our advantage. And in Excel, whenever you are thinking about spelling the result of your formulas across rows, please think about this row function. And when you want to spell the result of your formula across columns, think about column or columns function. So friends, this brings me to the end of this video. If you have liked this video, do give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, then comment and hit that bell icon to get future updates. And I'm leaving a link to this Excel file in the description box for you to download and practice. Take care. Bye.